What is a sentence in English grammar or any other language? A sentence is a set of words that conveys a message that gives you a complete picture of something. Take for example the sentence, Suman is watching a video on English grammar. A sentence has multiple parts, but right now I'm not going to go into those parts. I will be covering the parts of a sentence in a different video. For the time being, just make a note that a sentence is a set of words that conveys a message as clearly as possible. Here are some examples of sentences. Suman is watching a video on English grammar. The hawker is selling vegetables on the road. The dog is barking from the balcony. There are 4 types of sentences: declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Although to be able to write better sentences, you don't need to worry about these sentence types, but it helps you in the longer run if you know what type of sentence you are writing. What is a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence simply makes a declaration. For example, this portion of the video is about declarative sentences. Another example, the winter is coming. One more example, the road to success can be quite long. These are just facts or statements. Declarative sentences usually paint a picture of something or tell you about an event that is about to happen. Another example, she put the baby in the crib. As you see, again just plain information. These are declarative sentences. This will require a slightly longer explanation. We don't use the word imperative in our day-to-day language, so the idea of writing an imperative sentence may seem a bit scholarly. Imperative has 2 meanings, important and crucial, as well as commanding. Just to make sure that you get comfortable with the word imperative, here is how you normally use it in a sentence. Example, it is imperative that you open the windows to let the fresh wind come in. Another example, it is imperative that the government introduces some reforms if it wants to improve the GDP. When it comes to grammar, it is the commanding meaning of imperative that is used. It means giving a command. Sometimes it also means pleading. Example, finish your food immediately. Another example, put this report on my table by 5 p.m. today. An imperative sentence can also be used to make a request. Example, please make sure you bring your notebook. An imperative sentence can also be used as an advice. For example, take an umbrella as it seems it's going to rain today. There might be many other forms of imperative sentences, but for the sake of simplicity, an imperative sentence is mostly related with giving the command or telling someone to do something. What is an interrogative sentence? You use an interrogative sentence when you are asking a question. For example, did you read the newspaper in the morning? Another example, can you shift to the right so that I can also sit? Another example, why did you take his pencil? Hence, whenever a question is being asked, it is an interrogative sentence. You must have heard of police interrogation. What does the police do? It asks question. The same is the case with interrogative sentences. What is an exclamatory sentence? In an exclamatory sentence, you use an exclamation mark in the end. It may be surprise, it may be anger, it may be a simple loud noise, it may be sarcasm, anything that makes you raise your voice or use a higher pitch as you proceed the end of the sentence. Example of fear. There is a snake under your seat. Example of happiness. What a wonderful surprise it is to bump into you in this strange land. Examples of sarcasm. So you finally decided to grace our place with your presence. Example of extreme joy. We have won the World Cup. When you are writing, don't overuse exclamatory sentences unless it is absolutely necessary. Among these 4 types of sentences, you can have simple, compound and complex sentences. I will cover them in a separate video.